One of the most common questions I get is whether to buy a dedicated camera like the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or stick with the iPhone 16 Pro Max for creating content. The clip you saw at the beginning was recorded with both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Pocket 3. Could you tell which was which? Or let me ask you this, which one do you think looks better, A or B? I think both look great, and most people probably won't notice much of a difference. Ultimately, it comes down to your shooting needs. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a versatile and powerful pocket camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 offers unique features that might be more appealing to certain video creators. In this comparison, we will explore the key differences between these two pocket cameras to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into it. So I've been making YouTube videos for a while now, and I quickly realized that using less equipment lets me be more creative during shoots. And this way I can concentrate on the content instead of worrying about all of the gear. And that's why these pocket cameras are great. They're small and lightweight and easy to set up compared to regular cameras such as this one right here. No. Plus, the video quality has gotten a lot better over the years. It's no wonder so many content creators are choosing pocket cameras for vlogging, travel videos, or social media content. To me, having both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the perfect combination, as I can use them for different purposes depending on the situations. But what are these situations? To understand them, we need to understand their similarities and differences. So let's start with the similarities. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the DJI Pocket 3 are portable, making them great for content creation on the go. They are easy to use and perfect for creators who want to make professional looking videos without complicated setups. Both devices can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, enabling high-quality slow-motion clips. They also support log profiles for better dynamic range when editing. The iPhone 16 Pro Max can record in ProRes log, while the DJI Pocket 3 uses D-Log M. Both cameras allow for manual camera control, allowing you to adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance to achieve professional video results. They also support extra accessories like ND filters to achieve a natural motion blur in your shot, resulting in a more film-like look. Each device can create a natural-looking background blur effect, similar to what you would achieve with a traditional camera. Both can also capture decent footage in low-light situations. The iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pocket 3 come with built-in microphones for audio capture, and they both sound good as long as you are close to the microphones. Right, so I'm doing a little vlog test with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is this camera, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max using the selfie camera. And I'm just holding this rig right here and walking. This way you can see how it performs. I'm with my buddy Sven.
What's up?
My man. And yeah, we're just chilling here, shooting video for the Osmo Pocket 3 versus the 16 Pro Max.
Everything looks beautiful in Switzerland. It's a cheat code, guys.
Yeah, true. Plus, you also have the options to connect external mics. Additionally, they both feature advanced stabilization for smoother footage. The iPhone uses a combination of optical and digital stabilization and includes features like action mode, while the Pocket 3 relies on mechanical stabilization through its built-in gimbal. So the weather started to shift. It's raining a little bit, but still manageable. So the iPhone is a versatile device that works as both a phone and a camera, while the Pocket 3 is designed specifically for video with a built-in gimbal. The iPhone is great for everyday use, allowing you to shoot, edit, and post content directly from your device. However, using a device like this with multiple functions can be frustrating, as calls and notifications can distract you while filming. I often have to remember myself to switch on airplane mode for longer shoots. The iPhone also doesn't have a dedicated screen, unlike the Pocket 3 for framing myself, for example, unless you use the front camera, which isn't as good in quality. In contrast, the Pocket 3 has a screen that faces you, making it easier to frame your shot while recording yourself. Now, when capturing spontaneous moments, the iPhone is quick to use. You can open the camera app in seconds with its dedicated camera button and start shooting right away. However, the Pocket 3 requires a few more steps to get ready for filming. The Pocket 3 is also more delicate because of its 3-axis gimbal and needs a case for protection. Now, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is waterproof and suitable for use in different weather conditions, while the Osmo Pocket 3 lacks in weather sealing, which can limit its usability when filming in rain, like right now. So I better put it back into my pocket. Now, the iPhone features 3 cameras, a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, providing more options for various focal lengths compared to the Pocket 3, which only has one fixed lens, a 20mm. The Pocket 3 can zoom, but it loses a lot of detail. With the iPhone's optical zoom, you can get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality. Plus, the iPhone has a built-in macro lens for detailed shots, something the Pocket 3 lacks. Having these different focal lengths lets me be more creative with my videos and capture unique perspectives. Now, both devices offer great video quality, but the Pocket 3 is better for vlogging due to its built-in 3-axis gimbal and active track. It records much smoother video while you're moving, and you can turn on active track to stay centered in the frame. You can get something like the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal for smoother videos and have the option to use active track feature when using the DJI Mimo app. However, this increases the cost and complicates the setup more. On the other hand, the Pocket 3 stays compact and is ready to use, making it ideal for vlogging in public. The Pocket 3 also performs better in low light when the camera is in motion, while the iPhone uses a combination of optical and electronic stabilization to reduce shakes, which isn't as effective in dark conditions. It's really like crazy. So when looking at video quality side by side, both options deliver excellent results with a good dynamic range and no blown out highlights. The iPhone's Apple Lock profile looks a bit flatter, which helps keep more detail in the highlights. However, when I zoom in on the 10-bit footage from the Pocket 3, it reveals much more detail than the iPhone 16 Pro Max ProRes Lock 10-bit footage. I usually don't zoom in much, but I wanted to show the difference. Both cameras perform similarly for static shots in low light, but as mentioned, the Pocket 3 outperforms in low light for moving shots, thanks to its built-in stabilization. For vlogging, I appreciate how the Pocket 3 lets you set an ISO range while locking the shutter speed. This way, when filming in various lighting conditions, which often happens when vlogging on the go, the camera will only change its ISO while keeping the shutter speed at twice the frame rate. And this creates a natural motion blur, resulting in a more cinematic look. This lets you capture videos much faster without adjusting the ISO manually every time. Now, regarding the battery life, it's clear that the iPhone performs better, providing over 2 hours of continuous 4K recording with 45% battery remaining. The Pocket 3 has a shorter recording time, but you can boost its battery life with an external battery handle. Additionally, the iPhone has a built-in storage, eliminating the need for extra memory cards, while the Pocket 3 requires an external SD card. When comparing accessories for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the two devices take different approaches to enhance their functionality. The iPhone 16 Pro Max relies on third-party accessories like a gimbal and external microphone, which can improve its functionality and video quality. However, this makes the setup bulkier and more complex, especially for vloggers who prefer a more streamlined portable solution. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 integrates many of these key features directly into the device. With its built-in 3-axis gimbal and touchscreen, the Pocket 3 offers immediate stabilization and control without needing extra equipment. You can also find extra accessories like the ND filter from DJI, which easily attaches to the front lens using magnets. Whereas with the iPhone, you would have to clip it on or use a special case that usually comes with it. Additionally, when you purchase the combo version, you get the DJI mic transmitter, which pairs seamlessly with the DJI wireless mic 2 and offers an external battery grip for extended shooting time, making it much easier to use in longer vlogging sessions. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is flexible, allowing users to tailor their setup to various shooting scenarios, the Pocket 3 provides a more straightforward, out-of-the-box solution, minimizing the need for extra accessories. And this difference makes the Pocket 3 a more practical choice for those who prioritize simplicity and quick setup. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is better suited for creators who want maximum control and adaptability in their gear. Now, when it comes to the price and value, the Osmo Pocket 3 starts at $519 for the base model, but you'll need to purchase an additional SSD which can add around $50 to the overall cost. However, with its built-in stabilizer and advanced shooting options, it makes it a great deal for anyone focused on creating videos. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro begins at $999, but it includes internal storage and serves as both a smartphone and a camera, offering versatility beyond just content creation. While it's a more expensive upfront investment, its multi-purpose functionality can provide greater overall value for users who need an all-in-one device. So which one should you get? Deciding between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 really depends on what matters most to you and how you plan to use them. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is great if you want creative control with multiple focal lengths and need a weather-resistant device, especially like right now. It is able to handle filming also in the rain. It's also a more versatile option for combining filming, phone use, and editing in one device. The DJI Pocket 3 is ideal for vlogging if you prioritize smooth stabilization with its built-in gimbal, better low-light performance, and the convenience of separating your phone from your camera. It's more portable and easier to use for solo filming without extra gear. Let me know which one you would consider in the comments below. If you want to learn more about compact cameras, watch this video right here where I show you how to use compact cameras to create cinematic video results. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.